All right, guys, in the meantime, great news for your wallets. It looks like this market's going to open higher. Remember, this will be 5 straight sessions of gains. And, well, we've been seeing positive signs all over the place. You may not hear it in the media, but wallet is feeling it, and it's fueling this stock market rally. Now, another good piece of news for you. Median household income reached $59,308 since February of 2002. And Art Laffer, former Reagan economic advisor. So what do you say, Art? I mean, every time I look at the data, forget about the headlines, every time I look at the data, I'm seeing important trends that, by the way, have long-term implications.
You're right, and it's good to have you here on the show, by the way. Stuart didn't leave and invite me just because he didn't have to see me, did he? Just joking, Charles. But if you look to the future, the markets tell you what will be, not what has been. And the market's telling us we're in for a good long run, and I believe that's true. I think with Trump in the presidency and the House and the Senate and the state legislatures and the governors and all of that coming together, I think we have a really great run coming before us. I couldn't be more excited about the future than I am.
You know, Art, I agree with you, too, and I think too much has been made about how quickly some of the legislative wins happen, because I think what people miss is the innate goal of businesses, and that's to grow, take market share, invent the better mousetrap, and no industry, no country does it better than America.
That's very true. In fact, if you look at it, we just do it really well. Now, not that the government doesn't try to grow and get bigger, too, and not invent the bigger mousetrap. They want to be the bigger mouse. But, you know, all these budgets, I was the first chief economist at the OMB when it was formed, Charles, and I can tell you all these budgets come in dead. They all come in with everyone complaining. The forecasts are way too rosy, blah, 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 blah. But sooner or later, all of this gets through. This is where the rubber hits the road. And these specific programs are where it happens. And I love what Mick Mulvaney says. He says, stop focusing on all the people who receive the money. Start focusing on the people who pay the money. And it's both cases. You got to look at the balance between the costs of taxes and the benefits from spending. And when the cost gets higher than the benefits, stop already.
Absolutely. I agree, Art. And by the way, they're fiduciaries of our hard-earned money, and they should respect us, not vice versa. Art, I need you